Hey everybody, back in the shop again. Working on the Trans Am today. We're gonna pull this rear end out from underneath this bad boy. Ooh. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and pull the rear end out. I've got the rear brake line draining right now. I actually have a union I had to replace when I did the rear brakes on this. I had to replace the chunk of line coming back up to the rubber line because it twisted. It was seized, so I put a union in there and reflared both lines and put a union in there the proper way, which is nice because it's the low point, so it allows me to drain my brake fluid off. I'm gonna go ahead and drop, probably take the rear sway bar off, obviously take the crossbar off. I'm gonna get all that stuff. I'd like to get the rear end, like I said, out of here. I gotta take drive shaft off, and then I'm probably gonna bust the bolts for the torque arm and try to take the torque arm off. Then when I get all that done, I'm gonna go ahead and pull exhaust and possibly fuel tank, depends on how far I get today, we'll see. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the zip ties on the brake calipers, and I'll put them back into the hole, or back into, screw it, like bolt it back into its bracket, just so I don't have to worry about them too much. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna let that drain a little more. I'll probably set up a tripod down here and maybe do a time lapse. I'm just kind of cut back and forth. I may do different things down here, so yeah. 1 second, we'll be back with that. Alright, I got the 7.5 out, and yeah, we're going to go ahead and work on pulling the lower control arms, lower links there. I'll probably go under and pull the torque arm out, then I'll work on dropping the exhaust, and then work on the fuel tank. So go ahead and get you guys back underneath the car again. Well, guys, look at that. Fuel tank, exhaust, rear diff, basically the entire rear end of the Trans Am completely removed, cleaned up. Well, not cleaned up, just everything's removed. I gotta do all the cleanup, undercoating, rust inhibitor, all that stuff that needs to be done underneath the car yet. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up tools, reorganize the parts, probably find a place to put the differential. I'm gonna end up pulling the brakes, brake line, wheel backing plates off and stuff. Probably gonna pull the pinion out. I'm just probably gonna put new bearings in it everywhere. New wheel seals on the outside, new wheel bearings on the end of it. So yeah, do all that stuff. Clean it up, give it a nice couple coats of paint. Then end up putting her back in the car. I'll get new shocks that match my front shocks. One of these days we're gonna come in here and tear the whole front suspension down, everything, and put it back, or clean it up. Rust prevented it too. Undercoat it, get everything all there good. I've got electric fans to put on it. Finish up my cold air intake. I might do that before I actually do the rust preventative, because I will cut holes and stuff, because that's going to come down inside the fender well, suck air from the front of the car. So instead of the hot air in the engine bay. So anyways, we got a lot accomplished today. I got a lot of video just to edit. There's a lot of video to edit here, so did all in big chunks to go through. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. I've got to clean up this mess because the shop's looking like a disaster again, even though I just cleaned it yesterday. So yeah, anyways, we'll catch you guys in the next one.